Hello, and I hope you're doing well. On this video we're going to look at some tires. It took me a long time to do this review because I wanted to get all the weather in the tires to see how they felt. As you can see, the tires look really nice and they are very comfortable. Best of all, of good value. I just got the tires installed at Walmart and they're the Goodyear Reliant all-season tires. My tire size is 235, 65, 18 on this Lexus, and they look very nice and attractive, and as you can tell they're new, good tread. And let's go for a ride, see how they feel. They just took out the car. I got the tires installed at Walmart and they were really fast about it. It took them about 45 minutes to do it, and I'm happy about that as well. The tires ride smooth, they feel very comfortable. As you can see, here I am driving in the rain. The tires perform very well in the snow, and I didn't have to clean the spot where I parked. And as you can see, the tread is good for all year. And that's why I got them, because where I live, I have all weather. I think these tires perform well all year long. I hope this video helped you in any way. Thank you for watching and enjoy.